guys, my name is Chris and this is my friend Shagufa. Today I'm going to do her makeup for you guys. I have my natural look, so make sure you check that one out. And then don't forget to visit the amped up look which we have right here, nice and glittery and a bold lip. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Hey guys, so we're going to start off with this random ass BB Dream Fresh by Maybelline. I think, oh yeah, it's just a BB cream and we're just going to put that all over her face for today. So how long ago did you buy this?
A month ago.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, that noise guy. The noise that it makes too.
Yeah.
We're going to pack this up. Did you like kind of just look at all the shades and picked it?
Yeah, no, I bought it at Priceline and then colour matched me.
Oh nice.
Yeah. So
Really?
just
They do colour matches at Priceline?
Yeah, well, yeah, I guess they do. Just swatched on my face.
Yeah.
Sample. Yeah.
Next up, I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer in the shade Light just to highlight her under eyes. So nice and highlighted. Just look up. This actually goes really nice onto the back of the BB cream.
Okay, good. So you can have that on everything, right?
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, I've just been so turned on by these
Yeah.
Seriously, the other day I'm like, what's wrong with me?
Really?
Yeah, I had like one drink for like 2 hours. I was just sipping on it and didn't finish it.
Oh my god.
Shocking.
That is. At ABC though?
Yeah.
The ABC drinks now
I
though.
think I've just, yeah.
Guys, so if you see Shagufa's face, it's a little bit, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can see it in the real light, and it's actually a little bit pink, and her neck's more yellow and tanned. So when she went to Priceline and got matched, you were probably, I don't know, I don't know if what the lighting was like, or if you were a different colour back then, and you've become more tanned now, but yeah, it is a little bit pink for you. Shade. I don't know, I know Maybelline and those drugstore brands, like if you go to like Chemist Warehouse and stuff, they don't have many shade ranges, like it's all kind of just a few shades, and it's really hard. I'm going to use this Australis Fresh and Flawless powder just to add a tiny bit of coverage and try and take away the pink from her face and kind of make it a little bit more yellow, and this is in the shade Light Beige. Going to take this Rimmel Natural Bronzer. This is actually really good from Chemist Warehouse. It's in the shade 22 Sun Bronze. Just going to give her a nice bronzy, natural, flush kind of summery look. I really kind of want to make like my first look. This look I want to make you like summery, summer vibes, bronze. I don't know if you've ever been bronzed before.
No.
No.
Just a bit of bronzer, yeah.
I love how we're having like our casual chat. And now we're just like quiet.
Getting concentrated into the zone.
Like I don't want to sound like a bitch, but you're pink.
Your face is pink.
Oh my god, we're so funny. So I brought the bronzer a little bit further down just so you guys, just so when she's front on, you can kind of like really see that she's bronzed. Yeah, I think it looks really good. To contour, I'm taking the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Obviously, everyone knows I love this shit. It's amazing for bronzing and warming up the skin, and if you're more to the fairer side, it's probably better as a contour. So because I forgot to bring my contour brush, I'm just going to pinch this brush together and use it as a contour shaped brush. Going to take MAC Lightscapade for the highlight, just because I want this to be kind of a natural highlight, and then when we do our second look, we're going to amp it up. But that's my next video, guys, so if you want to see that, click click on the card above and Shaguf will be amped up with a new look. So should we tell them how we met? No, you tell them how we met.
Well,
Because it's your story to tell.
well, it was at a nightclub and I was a bit intoxicated and I just bumped into Chris and that's how we met. And from then on, we'd been friends for a while, talking here and there, and then we finally decided to meet up and we actually hit it off really well.
Yeah, we were surprised at like how well we hit off.
Yeah, we're very similar.
Yeah. We
So,
actually are, yeah. And like the avo and
oh yeah, avocado is life.
avo's life.
It's so good, yeah. But yeah, so that's how we met. I tend to, when I'm a little, intoxicated, I tend to meet people. That's how I met my boyfriend. So.
You are so funny.
It's a good nightclub though, huh?
Yeah.
Rats, yeah.
Yeah. So Rats is in Melbourne. We live in Melbourne.
Yeah. Cheap drinks, cheap entry, good music.
Yeah. It's like guaranteed like a funny night, like a good, funny laugh night.
You're like,
Yeah. I was like, oh, you look like my brother's.
and I'm like, oh, nice.
What is someone supposed to say to that?
Exactly. I was like, oh, okay. Yeah. And I think at the time I was looking for my friends. I had like lost them, so I'm like to Chris, I'm like, I don't know where my friends are, and she was like, okay. She's like, you can dance. We can dance.
You can dance.
Sweet. Okay, yeah.
Now I'm going to take my NYX blush in the shade Peach and apply that to her cheeks just to add a natural flush. Next I'm going to take the shade Peach Smoothie and run that through her crease. Do you wear eyeshadow?
No. I just feel like, I don't know, my eye shape is really, like I have really small eyes, so.
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
But that's good because like if you guys out there have small eyes, then maybe you can take some tips. There are definitely heaps of ways to make the eyes bigger. But you want mascara though to like kind of
Yeah.
open them up a bit.
And I also, when I do eyeliner, I just do it halfway.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because if I do the whole, then it looks, my eyes looks small.
Fair enough, yeah.
I've also heard white eyeliner opens up your eyes as well.
Yes, that's true, yeah. And then moving on to my shade Creme Brulee, which is a little bit darker, just to warm up that crease even further. I'll be honest, like when I was doing my makeup course, I was like really overthinking like everything. Like I was just, because they kind of like, they were giving us all these notes and I was like overthinking everything. But before when I like did makeup on other people, like I was just chilling, you know what I mean? And now that I've like finished the course, I'm not saying it was bad, but like I'm just back to chilling again and like not overthinking anymore.
Yeah.
So much better. Time for some baby face. I love this shade. It's a matte kind of creamy vanilla-y colour. And I'm just going to pop that on the lid as this is a natural look. Finally taking my cotton swab and going to lightly get off that mascara just by kind of poking at it. Going back into Peach Smoothie and going to run it under her lash line. Dipping back into Creme Brulee and also sweeping that under the lower lash line as well. I'm going to try and keep that one in that half, so from here to there, just so that it doesn't close off her eye. This is where we were talking about like the small eye thing from before. Going to take this e.l.f. eyebrow kit in the shade Medium and just fill in her eyebrows. She already has really great eyebrows, as you guys can see, but I just kind of want to define them a little bit more. Just going to draw a line there and kind of fluff up her eyebrows a bit. Right, I need to amp up the front of her eyebrow and that product just isn't doing it for me. So I'm just going to go in with the Brow by Benefit and make it a little bit darker. So there's that sparse bit of the brow, and I'm just going to draw a line under here and fluff up the product just to fill in that gap, to give the illusion that there is hair actually there. Taking this 720 Notting Hill Nude lipstick by Rimmel and just applying that to her lips. I've previously sliced this off from another client that I used, and then when I'm finished with this, I will slice it off again. By the way guys, I am in Melbourne, so if anyone also lives in Melbourne and they need a makeup artist, hello! Leave a comment down below and let me know what event you're doing, and we can get talking and organise a trial. My prices are from $40, and I also do hair, so that's an extra $35.
Yeah,
I feel like this makes her lips look juicy. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. So although it's a really nice nude colour, I am going to go in with the 732 Brazen Beige colour that most people have in their kit. It's a really nice nude, light nude shade. Just over the top and in the centre, just to add a little bit of lightness, just to kind of tone in the rest of the look, because the eyes are quite brown and dark. And this is the final look. This is the more natural look. We have bold brows, a nice nude lip, a very like on-trend brown kind of smoky eye, and a bronzed cheek with nice highlight. So this looks really on-trend at the moment for summer and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys. Do you want to see?
Yes. Oh wow. Oh wow.